It's a well-known fact that Ukraine is a large country with a sizable population. Right now we have over 42 million people, and also the workforce with sound educational standards. Ukrainian government recently adopted a lot of healthcare reforms that are considered irreversible right now, and that are developed expeditiously. This is there are a lot of factors for such growth, and these governmental reforms, they are dedicated to the ease of the market in general, because of course we know that healthcare in Ukraine started from the healthcare of Soviet Union, and of course we are right now closer to European Union. These reforms will increase transparency of public healthcare market, and will increase the opportunities for contracting services. Other major factors that influence the growth of healthcare in Ukraine are also the visa-free travel since 2017, and also the huge desire to change existing system and to learn from our colleagues from other countries, in particular from European Union countries, and to bring their expertise to our country as well, and increasing alignment to European Union procedures and standards, as well as conformity assessment for medical products and devices in general. So given the above evidence of growth, we can see right now that Ukrainian healthcare industry grows rapidly, and at the moment provides over 64 medical universities and academies, over 50,000 medical institutions, and 185 and counting medical specialists. On the right side of the screen, you can see right now the graph that demonstrates the distribution of various specialists across various medical domains, and it's interesting to see that we have over 38% of different sophisticated specialists like X-ray scientists and radiologists, and we enjoy working with this specialist at Mindy Support. Also, we have therapists over here, but I believe that therapists are popular not only in Ukraine but all over the world, and also the dentists, almost 14 and 2.2%, and probably you heard that dentistry in Ukraine is really booming, and it's a quite popular area of healthcare. There are a lot of private and state hospitals in Ukraine, and a lot of medical centers that work in various medical spheres. It's practically all of the medical spheres existent right now. It is, for example, radiology, oncology, pathology, mammology, dermatology, surgery, and also neurosurgery, and a lot of others. And in the circle, you can see the plenty of private clinics that we have here in Ukraine. We will not give an advertisement to any of that clinics right now, but still you can see that there are plenty of these clinics, and we have a lot of doctors who work at Mindy Support, and they represent these clinics right now. So also it is worth mentioning here that besides the reforms in healthcare, our government also encourages creation of different organizations. For example, we have the Association of X-ray Scientists in Ukraine and Association of Radiologists in Ukraine, and these organizations are aimed at uniting members of this organization to, and at the end of the day, to change the radiology industry and to make its growth, its comprehensive growth. And also these organizations are responsible for the social and legal support of the specialists, and for encouraging the development of creative potential of our doctors. So they are really familiar with all the international standards. They are friends with another international organizations of different countries.